Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium and large pots. To begin, you'll need to visit the Tomes and Scrolls shop located in Hogsmeade. This is where you'll acquire the essential spellcrafts for both medium and large potting tables. Remember, you must first unlock the Room of Requirement through your main story progression before you can utilize these items. Once purchased, you will use the conjuring spell to place them, requiring moonstones for each conjuration. To get your hands on medium pots, head directly to Tomes and Scrolls. There, you can purchase the potting table with 1 medium pot spellcraft for 750 galleons. If you need more capacity, consider the potting table with 2 medium pot spellcraft for 1,500 galleons, or even the potting table with 3 medium pot spellcraft for 3,000 galleons. These spellcrafts are crucial for growing a variety of medium-sized magical plants in your Room of Requirement. For those larger, more demanding plants, you'll need large pots. Again, Tomes and Scrolls is your destination. You can buy the potting table with 1 large pot spellcraft for 1,000 galleons. If you're planning extensive herbology, the potting table with 2 large pot spellcraft costs 3,000 galleons. These large tables are vital for growing powerful ingredients and combat plants, and they conveniently support all plant sizes, from small to large. Once you've purchased the spellcrafts, return to your Room of Requirement. Cast the conjuring spell and open the menu. You'll find your newly acquired potting tables under the herbology section. Choose your preferred style and place it using moonstones, which are consumed during conjuration. After placement, simply interact with the table to plant your seeds. This process allows you to cultivate a wide array of magical plants for potions, combat, and assignments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.